Okay, I'm going to show you a little bit about the point editing tool and talk about how to edit points precisely or segments precisely in that tool. So this is something that was new in Route 4. Here I just drew a rectangle and I get into the point editing tool and I'm able to, in this tool, I'm able to grab points and edit them or grab segments and convert them that way. I can right click on a segment to convert it to a different type of curve, that sort of thing. So that's pretty straightforward. Now if I hit the F2 key, it brings up the toolbar at the bottom, which then gives me the precise capabilities to edit points. So here I'm going to select a point and you see that now the coordinates are available, so I can position that exactly where I want it. That's one way to do it. If I select a segment, then it recognizes that as a line segment, and so now I can edit the angle or the length of the segment. So let's say I want that to be 10 inches long. I accept it, so now it changes and it goes from the start point, which is in green, to the end point, which is red. So that's how that gets modified. The angle, let's say I want to put that at a 15-degree angle, so I can modify it that way. I can also go in and position the coordinates where I want them. So that's one way to do it. If the segment is converted to an arc just by dragging on it, then you see that the parameters change. So now I've got the radius, so I can go to a specific radius and convert the segment that way. I can go to a sweep angle, which then a given sweep angle changes the radius in order to fit through those 2 points. If I go to a radius that's smaller than the smallest radius that can fit between those 2 points, then the program will automatically calculate that smallest radius and put it into the edit box, so that any radius smaller than that won't reach those 2 points. So that's how that gets calculated. And if I edit it interactively, this is updated to show me what the radius is and what the endpoints are. So that's how I can precisely modify points and segment parameters in the point edit tool. If I hit F2 again, the toolbar goes away, so I don't have to have that present when I'm working on it, and then I can just turn it on and off with the F2 key. So that's point editing in Route 4.